Hello everyone, welcome back to Zanet's Cook, and I'm back here with another delicious recipe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple chicken stew. So first, to start by adding oil to a heated pan. Add your chopped onions, your ginger and garlic paste, and stir fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you add your tomato paste and stir fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. You add your blended white pepper, dry rosemary, curry and thyme and stir fry it. Then you move over to add your blended tomatoes and pepper. Stir fry it for a few minutes. Then you add your chicken stock. Stir it well and allow to boil. Add your chicken and add your seasoning cubes. I also added chopped tomatoes and spring onions for garnishing. It's highly optional. Stir it and our stew is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I love you.